What is metabolism? So when you hear the word metabolism, what do you think? Most people think weight loss, right? But here's the thing, metabolism is so much more than weight loss. Your metabolism actually has three main functions. The first function is the ability of your body to break food down into energy that every cell in your body needs. So cellular energy, it's called ATP. So if you have poor metabolism, you will have poor energy. Second function is your body's ability to break down food into building blocks. Like when you build a house and you need bricks, you need those building blocks. That's what metabolism does. It breaks the food down into little bricks so it can build your cells, build your body, and build molecules. The third function is your body's ability to eliminate waste. Yeah, like you breathe out CO2, you pee out waste. That is from your metabolism, right? So the next question you're probably thinking, oh, so how do I change my metabolism? Well, guess what? It's organ function. And in my next post, I'm going to talk about which organs are responsible for your metabolism. And it's not what you think, right? Most people think metabolism just for weight loss. No, it's more than that. It's for your health. Now, if you don't want to wait for all these posts, you want to sign up for our 28-day Metabolic Reset. Our promotion of 59 ends tomorrow. You just got one more day. Click on my bio above and also look at the comments. I'll put the link there.